Hey everybody, I had recently traveled to Ladakh from Bangalore with a friend. You need to take a 3-hour flight to Delhi and after a 2 to 3 hours layover, take another short flight to Leh. Leh is at an altitude of 11,500 feet. Therefore, if you travel by flight, you are advised to rest for a night or two to get acclimatized to the low oxygen levels. I was contemplating carrying my Fuji X100V as well as my GFX100S. But at the last minute, I ditched the X100V as I wanted to carry only one camera and have all my stuff in the cabin baggage. This is the initial place where we stayed. It had a lovely view of the hills and the Himalayan range and was also walking distance to the Leh market. The idea was to spend a night in Leh and acclimatize. Post this, we were planning to go to Nubra, Turtuk, Thang, Pangong, etc. The day is quite sunny with harsh sunlight. After we settled down, we decided to walk up to the market and figure out our travel plans. We had to decide if we should hire a car and driver or hire a bike. A car just for my friend and me seemed to be an overkill, considering we had to shell upwards of 18k to 25k for the whole trip, compared to the 5k split in the bike. We went around hunting for a bike, and after a lot of searching, we found a good RE Classic 350, which became our companion across the entire journey. These were the tents where the local food was served.
When you keep like this, how 360 works?
It stitches. Everything looked normal in terms of the crowd and the number of people out, except that most people were wearing masks. Well, almost in most places. We ended the first day with the local food from the Tibetan kitchen which was a recommendation from a friend of mine who had visited this place just a week earlier. I hope you liked the photos. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. In the next set of video, I will share our travel videos and photographs that I took along the entire trip.